Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by narrowing where cinnamon markers live. Think marker aisle, seasonal craft sections, and specialty art shelves. Once you've scanned shelf labels, use color chips or swatches to match a medium brown with a subtle red tone, because manufacturers label names differently. Make sure to check pack sizes and brand lists on shelf tags. If you see multiple browns, pull the swatch out and compare under store lighting so you can rule out top or chestnut quickly. Once done with the quick shelf scan, verify by checking brand color numbers or product codes. This prevents buying a cinnamon-named shade that actually reads darker. Then uncap a demo marker or test a hidden stroke on white paper to see true hue and undertone, because packaging photos can mislead under fluorescent lights. Make sure to note pigment type. Alcohol-based inks often appear more saturated, and compare to your intended use so the color behaves as expected on your surface. Finish by selecting a single marker or small set so you can confirm the cinnamon shade at home. Keep the receipt in case you need an exchange. You should test a short stroke on the actual paper or craft material right away to confirm absorption and drying appearance, because that's often what reveals differences. If the shade is off, exchange promptly or blend with a lighter complementary brown. If bleeding occurs, switch to a different pigment base or use a primer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.